Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the SOS function on your Aspera F40. The first thing to note is when the phone is flipped closed, you need to press the SOS button once and then hold it down for 5 seconds for the SOS tone and for the SOS calls to be made. When the phone is open, however, you just need to hold it down for 5 seconds and the SOS call will be made. Navigate to the SOS application. When the SOS application is highlighted, press the center key to go into it. Here, press the center key on SOS contacts when SOS contacts is highlighted. Here we have 5 contacts that we can assign to the SOS contacts. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to assign a contact to an SOS contact. When SOS contact 1 is highlighted, press the center key, and here we can put in the contact's number. Alternatively, we can put in the contact's contact information by scrolling to the right, and there is a little head here that is now highlighted. This will take you to your contact by pressing center on it. Now we can adjust our SOS contact. If I want to contact Adam, I will select Adam by pressing the center key when his name's highlighted, and a tick will come on to display that he has been successfully selected. Press the options key, being the top left key, and then press the center key on select and return to select this contact as your SOS contact 1. As you can see, it's auto-populated that contact's number, and by selecting OK, that contact has been added to SOS contact 1. Please note that when adding an SOS contact, it no longer will ring out to emergency services as you have adjusted the call to be to a contact. If you have an SOS contact 1, 2, 3, it will call out to 1, then 2, then 3, and then it will restart the cycle in case nobody has answered. So it will call out to 1, 2, 3, then back to 1, 2, 3. Going back, using the top right key, our next option is SOS enabled. This means that the SOS key is working. To disable the SOS key, have SOS enabled and press the center button, and it will change it to SOS disabled. This means the SOS key is no longer working in case you don't want to use the SOS button. Scrolling down one more time, we have the option for edit message. By default, it is I need help. You can change this by pressing the center key and scrolling to the end of the I need help and backing it out using the top right key. And when you have a message here, you can scroll down to OK and press the center key on OK, and that will confirm the message. So what happens when you hold down the SOS key is it calls out to your emergency contact. If there are no emergency contacts selected, it will call out to 000 and will also send an SMS to any SOS contacts that you have. Thank you for watching this video.